In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar event in Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to keep your whole team aligned so everyone knows what's happening and when. Let's get started. First, sign in to Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official Microsoft Teams website. Click the Sign In option, then enter your Microsoft account details to continue. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your Teams homepage and you can move on from there. Using your work or school account is usually best so the event reaches the right people. Once you're in, go to the calendar view. On the left-hand navigation panel, look for the calendar icon and click it. This is where all your scheduled meetings, events, and tasks live. Think of it as your central hub for what's coming up. It gives you a clear overview, which is especially helpful if your schedule is busy or you're coordinating across different projects. Next, pick the date and create your event. Click directly on the date you have in mind. A new event window will open. Start by entering a clear, descriptive title, something that tells your team exactly what the event is about at a glance. Keep it short but specific. This helps people recognize the purpose quickly and reduces back and forth questions. While you're here, double-check that the date and time reflect what you intend, especially if you work across time zones. Now invite your team. In the event window, go to the People section. You can search for specific names if you're inviting a few key participants or choose everyone if it's meant for the entire team. Taking a moment to confirm you've included the right folks helps ensure no one misses out on important updates. With your details in place, send the event. You'll typically find the Send button at the bottom or on the right side of the window. Click Save, and the event is officially added to your calendar. At the same time, notifications go out to everyone you invited so they're aware and can plan accordingly. To make the event easy to access, click the Copy Link button. Paste that link into an email, a chat, or any communication tool your team uses. This makes it simple for people to open the event and add it to their own calendars without hunting for it. And that's it. You've created a shared calendar event in Microsoft Teams. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.